Here's how to check and know if your laptop has an SSD or HDD. So the first thing that you're going to do is on your keyboard, click on the window button plus the R button, and this will appear directly on your screen. Now go ahead and put on CMD and then click on the OK options. Once you click on the OK options, you will be redirected on this screen. Now, what you need to do is you will see there the media type, which is solid state drive. So if you see there the solid state drive, it means that you're using an SSD. Now, when you see there the solid state drive, click on it so that you will see there if it's actually using other drives, such as the next slide, it is the hard disk drive. So you can see there that it is using SSD and HDD, and that is how you check it to your monitor, PC, or laptop, or any device.